Well, an interesting question of recursion. Let's directly visualize it. Okay. You are given an n-step staircase. Only two types of jumps are allowed. One step and two step jumps are allowed. You are here at the nth step. The question is to find the number of ways to arrive at the nth step, starting from the ground step, the 0th level. Okay, so how do you approach this? First of all, how do you identify the question is of recursion? Well, as we already stated, when the bigger problem or your actual problem can be solved using the smaller problems in the same way as the first problem or the bigger problem, we use recursion. Like for these, let's consider you are at n minus 9 step. So the attempts required to reach at this point are also added in this thing, right? And the process to evaluate these steps are also the same. So hence we divide the problem into various sub problems and then evaluate accordingly. Okay, so then what should be our recursive relation? For the recursive relation, the thing we will be considering is, so in recursive relation we require an f of n and we try to find the relation between f of n and f of n minus 1 and these things. Okay, so I have only two options, one step jump or two step jump. Fine. Then suppose I am at the nth level, this and this. So I have options only from n minus 1 and n minus second level to jump to the nth level. These are the only two possibilities to arrive at nth level. Fine. Then, so can I say the number of ways to reach at nth level equals the number of ways to reach at n minus 1th level, or the number of ways to reach at n minus second level? Because there are only two possibilities. Fine. Either you reach the n minus 1th level or you reach the n minus second level. Okay. To reach the nth level. So this is the possibility. So the basic thing is, well, there are only two options to reach the nth level, basically from the n minus second level or the n minus first level. And then you found out the number of ways to reach the n minus first or the n minus second, and then you just add these ways. Okay. I hope this is, I guess I am able to explain this thing. Either you reach from this or this and you calculate the number of ways, and then, or either from n minus 1 or either from n minus 2. That's why you add the number of ways. So to reach the nth level, you have to reach either to n minus 1 or either to n minus 2. Now there are how many ways are there to reach n minus 1? We will evaluate. And how many ways are to reach n minus 2? We will evaluate. So this is the basic thing. Okay. So the number of ways to reach the nth level will be the number of ways to reach n minus 1 level plus the number of ways to reach n minus 2 level. Fine. Okay. Now, so the recursive relation will be f of n equals f of n minus 1 plus f of n minus 2, where these represent the number of ways to reach nth level, to the n minus 1th level and n minus 2nd level. Okay. Well, what should be the base condition? When you are at 0th position, you will basically return 1, because there is only one way to reach the 0th position, which is where you stand. That should not be the matter of discussion. Okay. Well, when you evaluate this thing, let us suppose your n becomes 1. Then you get f of 0 plus f of minus 1. Now how do you eradicate this f of minus 1? And also to stand at the negative stair, the number of ways is 0. You can't stand at negative stair. So we'll again write, if n is less than 0, you will basically return 0. And that is the basic code of yours. This is your recursive relation and this is your base condition. If n equals 0. So this is the thing, and I hope the idea is clear and I am able to explain it in as much okay. Well, I hope it is clear. How do you reach the nth level? Either you reach to n minus 1st level or you reach n minus 2nd. And the number of ways to reach the nth level will be the addition of these. Because basically we have to evaluate number of different ways. Fine. So either you reach from n minus 1 or you reach from n minus 2. There are only 2 ways to reach nth level. We will not evaluate like from n minus 2 you get plus 1 and n minus 2 there is one way and you will write this as this. No, this is wrong. We have to evaluate the number of different ways. We don't have to evaluate the number of steps. Fine. Well, I hope this is clear and I am to explain it as clearly as possible. Thanks then.